Hey folks, I am adding on the legs to my chair, or my table, excuse me, and I thought I would be fancy and pre-drill my holes, but the legs that I have are on a slant. So they have to go in a specific way. So even though I pre-drilled the holes, when I add in the leg, it doesn't necessarily fit the right angle. Let's see how this one works out. I need to stop there. And when I tighten it, it's not going in the right direction. So do unscrew it, and this is for future reference. If I use legs on the slant, I'll know to do this first before I drill my pilot holes. So the first step is to put this on first, okay? Then with some chalk, I'm gonna mark out one of the legs, or one of the holes. Now, I need the leg to go this way. So I'm just gonna place it in the hole, right at the angle that I need it, press it down. And the chalk mark that I made should show up. So that's where this hole needs to line up to, so that when I finish turning it, it's locked in. Okay, so I'm gonna unscrew this. That's my chalk. That in like so, and now we drill. Now, when I screw this on, which should happen, it should line right up. So let's see. I did see it jump a little bit when I was drilling just now, so it might be slightly off, and I might need to tweak it some more. Boom! Done and done. Nice at the angle that we need, and we're good to go. And it's on there real good. So that's how you work with slanted angle of legs. Thanks for watching.